Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Facebook post on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right. From here you need to click on account center, and here you can see an option of sharing across profiles, and then you need to connect your Facebook profile here. So click on add account. So as you can see, I already added. Click on that, and then here you can see automatically share your Facebook story and your Facebook post. Now you post anything on Facebook will share automatically on Instagram. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.